Hello everyone, how are you guys? Today we're gonna make injera from scratch. So when I say scratch without the dough starter, we don't have dough starter on this case. We're gonna use the water and teff. I'm using ivory teff. If you have brown teff, it's gonna be the same process, so don't worry. So I'm just adding my flour. I don't measure. I'm just guessing everything right now. So I add water. Now we're gonna mix with that machine. You can mix with your hand, it doesn't matter, but just mix them well. It's easy to use machine if you have any kind of mixer. So I'm adding a little water at a time. And the dough looks good already. Turning off my machine, and then we're gonna remove everything. This is the first step. So it's gonna take us 3-4 days to make the injera, but this is the first day, the first step. One at a time, one step every day. So patient. The dough looks perfect. Now you can put anywhere. I'm using this white, little big, but it's okay. I don't know why I add that water on the top, but let's just move it on. After 3 days, we came back and boiling water. I'm just getting ready. That's how it looks like after 3 days. But make sure every morning you came back and check your dough. So I'm adding little water, just water from my tap, cold water, just not really cold, not just room temperature water. So we mix that, and the water is already ready. We boil the water, add the water to the dough. We're gonna mix it. So we're done with the hot water. Now on the end, I'm just adding cold water. Little cold water. Clean, clean. See how simple it is? That is the second step. This is third, and that's the next day after we add the hot water. That's gonna how it looks like on the top, because we did from scratch. We remove all those white thing from the top, and then I remove a little water because you don't know how much water you put sometimes. So just make sure before you mix everything together, remove a cup of water from the top. And you see I put back a little water because I need it. So let's see the moment of truth. Now is the time to reveal the injera from scratch. Okay, we're gonna wait patient. You have to learn how to be patient. So let's go, guys. I know you're gonna ask, what is that? That is baking powder. I use baking powder on my griddle or mogogo injera maker. I don't know what you're gonna call anything. What do you feel? Because I make injera every morning, and those been with me a couple years, so they're old. But I love using the baking powder. Let's go. Don't judge me. Waiting. So far looks good. Cover it 20 to 30 seconds. but doesn't look like that 20 to 30 seconds. I think I let it stay a little bit. Yep. So the first injera is done. I know you really want to see it. Okay, give me a second because I'm busy. Okay, hopefully you guys can make your own injera and let me know on the comment section because it's really easy. Just using hot water and then teff. So make sure you guys let me know how you guys did. Try it and let me know in the comment section and I will be happy to answer any question. Don't forget to subscribe, like, as usual. Thank you everyone. Enjoy the injera.